How to improve Kdenlive performance on low-end hardware. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and keep the timeline as clean and simple as possible. Remove any unused clips or tracks to save memory and reduce overall lag during editing. Next, go to the project menu and select Project Settings. Enable proxy clips by checking the box. This feature creates lightweight proxy versions of your high-resolution footage, allowing smoother playback and faster editing. Then head to the Settings menu and choose Configure Kdenlive. Under the Playback section, enable GPU processing if your system supports it. This can shift some processing load from your CPU to the GPU and improve performance. If lag persists, simplify your timeline further by avoiding heavy real-time effects, transition, or multiple video layers during the early stages of editing. You can always add those effects later when finalizing your project. Also consider using lightweight video formats like MP4 with the S.264 codec. Avoid large uncompressed files unless absolutely necessary, as they consume more memory and processing power. Finally, make sure you are using the latest version of Kdenlive. Updates often include performance enhancement and bug fixes that can improve stability and efficiency on low-end machines. Now you know how to improve Kdenlive performance on low-end hardware. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.